Hold on a second. This is Bass Pro Shops in the Pyramid in Memphis, and these are fish in the water. Not quite sure what kind of fish they are. Bass Pro Shop in Nashville does not have this. This is awesome. And then they have this. All of this is in Bass Pro Shop Memphis. This is not in Bass Pro Shop Nashville. I'm a little jealous. Look at this big fish. Lord have mercy. Whoa. OMG.
Bass Pro Shops in the Pyramid. In just a minute, one of our divers will be getting in this tank right in front of you guys. Then she'll be feeding out some gel food, and I'll go through and ID the fish for you guys as she's feeding out the food.
They're going to be feeding the fish.
So in the meantime,
I'll pause again. Y'all, look at this big old catfish. Oh yeah, I'm talking right about you too. He turned around. Lord have mercy. Look at the swordfish back there. Oh my god, I know, right? Is that a swordfish?
As you make your way around the store, you'll come to that pond over there with all the boats in it. That's our lake exhibit. It's about 174,000 gallons of fresh water. In front of you is 38,000 gallons of fresh water. It houses primarily native Mississippi River fish, with the exception of one.
The diver is about to enter so she can feed the fish.
Really big fish that's kind of making its way this way.
Here she comes. It's the diver.
So right now that white sturgeon is about 65 pounds, and like I was saying, that's the only fish you wouldn't be able to find out on the Mississippi River. Those guys are actually from the western coast of North America, and they can reach weights up to and over 1,000 pounds. So our diver, her name's Anna, she's feeding out some gel food to these guys. We get it in this powder form and make it up similar to how you make gel at home. That fish that's eating out of her hand right now is a smallmouth buffalo. We have two different types of buffalo fish in there, smallmouth and largemouth. There's actually a largemouth right next to that guy. The way you can tell the difference between those two is if you look at the largemouth buffalo, you'll see that it has a much larger mouth and it's actually orientated more towards the front of its face. Where that smallmouth, which is going to be...
Oh, sure. Yeah, I don't have to
feed out of her hand again. Its mouth is located more towards the bottom of its face. They are easy to confuse apart at first glance, but
it's going to be his retirement
those
job.
guys from your cart is your buffalo fish don't have the barbels like your carp will, and that's the easiest way to tell the difference between those guys. So one of these fish you see that are kind of mid-level in the tank are different species of bass. They're categorized into two kind of families, if you will, black bass and true bass. Your black bass consists of your largemouth bass, your smallmouth bass, and your Kentucky or spotted bass. And those guys are actually more closely related to all of your sunfish. Your true bass are going to be your hybrid striped bass, your striped bass, and your white bass.
I know.
And we also have one so ugly though.
He got white eyes too.
In addition to our gar, we have a few types of catfish. We've got
well, I was trying to get it, but I can't.
Catfish that is swimming toward our dive right now. You can see we just got a piece of gel food, and there it goes to hide again. And we also have a few channel catfish in here, but that's a little bit harder because they're hanging out at the bottom. So that fish that's swimming towards her right now is a copen. You can see that has a really elongated
down there.
and another really cool feature about those guys is they can actually go through certain and golden air, which allows them to live in an oxygen-depleted environment for a lot of other fish wouldn't be able to survive in.
Which one is that that takes the oxygen?
So this copen right here, this line that looks almost gilled with a flame light with a really long thing down its back. That's a copen.
Oh.
And that's actually a female. You can tell the difference between the males and the females if you look at their tail. If it's a female, she will either have that black dot at the end or she won't have it at all. But if it's a male, it will always have a black dot and it will be surrounded by a little orange or yellow halo. And that's how you know how it's in.
Wow. And then you got a couple of, there's some brim in there.
So the big one coming toward us, what's it?
That's a catfish.
That's a catfish as well?
That's catfish.
Oh, okay, I didn't see whiskers at the... Oh, now I see them.
Yeah,
now I see them.
flatheads, blue.
And the browns are.
So the black one
There's a
here,
few over on
that's
the other
buffalo.
side.
Oh, okay.
Some of these are bass too.
And then the, what I'm saying, look like flatfish. What kind of those again?
I think there's a hybrid striped bass.
Okay. And on over there
Because
too.
you'll see the biggest one we have up there,
Uh-huh.
like 16 pounds. He's a hybrid striped bass.
Oh, wow.
But if you go to the other side, we have alligator gar. We have a 6 foot, about 6.5 foot, 120 pound alligator gar sitting
Oh, wow.
over underneath that.
Alligator gar.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a type of fish.
Yeah. You'll see
Okay.
some gar, long nose, have this long nose on the
Is that
alligator.
what that long nose thing is? Or
Yeah.
is that swordfish?
That's a gar.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, swordfish.
That's a big one.
They
I thought
call
it
them
was an
gator gar.
alligator. I thought
I
that's
should have
what
done
it
that.
was at first.
I wish I could get better light on it.
Maybe from the other side.
Maybe so. I'll try it.
That's a big fish.
Mm-hmm. Come over here. Please don't fall in the water.
I know that's right. There's a couple of those big ones over here.
Wow. Okay. Uncle Buck's Fishbowl and Grill. So I guess we have to check this out when we come back. So there's a bowling alley through there. I don't know if you can see that because I really can't. But we have to check that out whenever we come back. All right. So here's the menu for the Gator Bowl. Start at the top and slowly pan down.
Y'all want to see the bowling alley and stuff?
Is it inside the restaurant?
Yeah, inside here.
Oh, did you see it?
Oh, yeah.
So the bowling alley is inside of Uncle Buck's. Hi. All the different kinds of fish. So here is the bowling alley inside of Uncle Buck's restaurant.
Alligators.
Yeah, it's right there. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. There's an alligator. Can't see him good because he is hiding, but that's his face.
I can't see it at all.
Come look through the thing. Come look at my camera. He's right there. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Can you see him now?
Uh-huh. They used to have a couple of them.
They're probably hiding.
Oh,
Did-
there they are back there. Ducks.
Straight back. There's some ducks. I don't know if there are any fish in here or not. Oh no, there's some fish. Look at the big one coming our way, guys. Look at the big fish coming my way. So there he is.
Hotel that's supposed to
Looks like a big old black streak, but it's a fish.
Oh, that's another one.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Hopefully nobody's ever fallen in this.
Wow, look at this thing.
Yeah, wouldn't want to be in.
Well, I'm glad they don't have feet. I'm sorry, so no, you're good, you're good. I'm just amazed. That joker is humongous. What's that long, flat one? Or maybe he just looks long and flat because he's at the bottom of the water. What is that?
It's really, it's kind of.
So up at the top, Big Cypress Lodge, there's a hotel in this Bass Pro Shops. Now, ain't that something? Okay, give me a second. I don't want to give him a headache. I'm going to go up this thing. It's an observation deck. You can go all the way to the top. And then you can look back down at the alligators. So, hold on, I'm going to show you one more. This is the back side, and I'm gonna go up, and these are some of the hotel rooms. Zoom out. These are the balconies for the hotel rooms. Wow, this is awesome. Chandeliers made out of, looks like elk horns. No, if I had taken your picture, I had to get your release. I can Google you.
I'm on Google.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
What name should I be looking for?
T. Alfonso Williams.
T. Alfonso Williams.
Yeah.
All right. I like this truck.
Yeah, it's nice.
I like this truck. This is General Store. Time for fudge, which you know is right up my alley. Oh, gotcha. Oh, you see some. So this is how you get to the observation deck. It's called the lookout.
Well, she said it. I need to cut this.
And I'm gonna slowly pan around. Well, it's kind of slow, not too slow, because that made me dizzy. Bait and tackle shop.